Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a review of the Golden Canyon State Park out here in Colorado. This park is located near Golden, Colorado, right outside of the main part of the city. Beautiful area, beautiful drive. Out here, if you have the park pass, when you do your registration for $29.99, you have access to all these state parks for free. Yes, for free. You pay $29.95 and it's good for the year. Stopped at the visitor center. They got bathrooms, very friendly people that work in there. Very nice visitor center. As you can see, there's the trout pond right there. It's really cool. I didn't see it the last time you were here because we came in the winter. And honestly, I don't think I just paid attention. We're taking the Mule Deer Trail this day. Oh, before I go on, let me let everyone know that also during the weekend they reach their capacity really early in the day. And so September, with the changing of the colors, which is really beautiful in this area, just be mindful that they actually will reach capacity. There's a lot of people that move to Colorado, and it gets really busy, especially the closer you are to Denver, certain state parks. And Golden Canyon State Park is a beautiful park, and so a lot of people hear about it and come up here. There's a multitude of trails in this area, so a lot of people will come up here, and plus it's very accessible from Denver, Colorado. Not only that, the downtown of Golden is a beautiful place, really beautiful, really cool, great place to go visit, go eat, go hang out downtown. Okay, let's get it on. So this day we went to the Mule Deer Trail. So the idea of this trail was we took the French Bulldog. So we have another dog. You haven't really seen me with this dog, and it's a French Bulldog, so it doesn't have the endurance of my other dogs. So I don't think I mentioned it in any of my other videos. I may have. My dog you'd always see in all my videos, a lot of my videos, Bear, a Sheepadoodle, he passed away this year. He had a battle with cancer, and like many dogs, he didn't make it. So yeah, he passed away at home. So it was a pretty tough year because we lost him. And then I had bought another dog, a rescue, a little Chihuahua mix. She was a good little dog, but she had an underlying health issue, and we took her in because she wasn't feeling well. And before you know it, we had to put her down the same day. Like we couldn't leave with her. Like it was just like that. We had her for a year, and she was a good dog, really good dog too. So it wasn't a good year. We ended up with our French Bulldog we have now. But as I said, his endurance is not the same, we don't think, but believe it or not, we made it through the whole hike, about 5, 6 miles of where we wanted to go before we turned around. He's a little trooper. We didn't have any problems. But this day was in the mid 60s, so of course it was more so. I think his endurance is based more on the heat because he's a bulldog than anything else. And also, we're probably at, I don't know the true elevation of Golden. Um, it's guaranteed over 5,000 feet, maybe 6,000, not for sure. Anyway, this is the Mule Deer Trail we're taking. So we want to go to Panorama Point and do the Raccoon Trail, but during the weekend, or when we went, which is actually I think it was a Thursday or Friday, we couldn't get any parking there, so we parked further on down at the Mule Deer Trail, and we found parking. And if you take it and cross the street, you can actually walk up to Panorama Point, hike up there, and see it, and then hike back to your car, which is about 2 or 3 miles, I think it is. Anyway, regardless, this was a beautiful hike, and we hiked the opposite way. And plenty of markers. As you see my pictures of the markers here, there's so many markers in this area. The weather was lovely, the changing of the colors. I would say this is a moderate difficulty hike right here. You're going to go down. If you it takes you, you'll start going to descending. Just remember, if you're descending and you're coming back, you're going to go all the way back uphill. So on our way back, it was all uphill. We took plenty of water. Like I said, it was a good day. I was testing a coat, or excuse me, a light fleece jacket I'd gotten from a company to. They wanted me to test it out, and as you can see in the picture, it's the ATLASLAVA light fleece jacket, and it was perfect for this day. Like I said, it was in the mid 60s. It felt really good, and it was real comfortable, and it was lightweight, but definitely thick enough. It's the type of fleeces I actually like because with these type you can actually like throw a long sleeve or a sweater underneath it and be super warm in these with no issues, and water resistant, of course. So anyway, that was one of the reasons for the actual hike was I wanted to test out this one last test for this jacket. So, and we just wanted to get away from Denver for a while. Denver area, it's always good in Colorado to be able to get out of the city. Um, One of the blessings of living in Colorado or the Rocky Mountain area is the outdoors. If you look at a lot of my videos, you'll see a lot of outdoors. A lot of states don't have this, a lot of these options that we have out here. I see it on my Facebook, I see it on social media. People I know, they'll post and they're posting the same places. They go to exactly the same places all the time. They're in Arizona, they go to Lake Havasu. That's all they have is pictures of that because honestly, there's not as much stuff to do. And in the summers, well, you better make it the Flagstaff. So I'm just saying, so out here we have plenty to do. So you see me going back to Golden Canyon State Park, but last time I came here, it was in the summer, or no, excuse me, the winter of 20, about a year or two ago, maybe 2 years ago. So I've never been here in the fall or in summer or anything. So I wanted to check it out. I got lots of videos to put up for everybody. We've done quite a bit. I've done quite a bit. I got some more planned. I got some e-bikes coming up to review. I got another e-bike coming. By this time this video comes out, I'll have another e-bike to go with the other new e-bike I just got. So, but you know me, I really like these e-bikes, so I wanted to definitely test it out. So, but anyway, I recommend Golden Gate Canyon, or Golden Gate Canyon State Park. I keep wanting to call it the Golden Gate State Bridge or something, Golden Gate Bridge. But no, it's Golden Gate Canyon State Park in Colorado. Oh, and cell phone coverage. I never talk about this too much, but here's some food for thought. In this one, there'll be areas where there is no cell phone coverage, but I noticed when we descended, we had like really good cell phone coverage, like three of 5G. But driving there, once you got off the main roads into Golden Gate, going towards it, we didn't have any coverage at times. Um, but it's a main road. If anything was to happen, guys, you're on a main road. Winter, I would definitely plan out my trip. The last time we came here, I brought the Kia Sorento. And did I drive it this time? No. Anyway, I brought the Kia Sorento and I was testing out my new all-terrain Falcons, I think they were, my Wild Peaks. So I wanted to take it on a snowy day and we went for a hike. And they did awesome. But this day was perfect. Mobility issues, this is a pretty difficult hike here, a moderate difficulty. However, there are plenty of other places you can go to check out, to go do simple hikes or no hike at all, like pull into the parking lot and be able to actually go up and see epic views, and there's restrooms and everything. Panorama Point would be one of those areas, by the way. Also, the visitor center up there is beautiful. And talking to other people that I work with at some of my jobs, they have taken like their parents, their grandparents, and stuff like that that are older. And what they liked about Golden Gate Canyon Bridge, Golden Gate State Park, was that there were areas that you could go with people with mobility issues and see all the really good stuff. But it wasn't a bunch of strenuous stuff you needed to do to get to those points like some places are. So anyway, I wanted to share that with everybody. I think that's important to a lot of people. Restrooms, there'll be restrooms all along in the state park. So they're all over the place. And they were very clean. Everyone was very nice. Um, Even though we went on this trail, there are so many trails, everyone. Short trails, long trails. There's fishing ponds, there's fishing holes. That's what makes Golden Gate. And I believe it really special. And also, it is a 12,000 acres, I believe, is what the state park. It's a very large one. So Panorama Point, this is one of those areas I was just talking about that's easily accessible right off the road with parking. Just be careful what time of day you come because it's very popular and you may not find parking. You can't park on the side of the road. Anyway, the views were epic. You can see, and there's all these mountains to look at. Beautiful area. Anyway, I recommend go check out the state park. It's a very cool one. Check out the calendar for the state parks. There's all types of things always going on there. So, you can see what events they're having and programs. I guess they have hunting reservation system here if you hunt and all that good stuff. They also have, they do not do ride share here. You will have to actually drive into the place. So there's no ride share that actually comes out here. So that's just something to think about. Anyway, to close it up, this is Fergal Panda. There's more than 12,000 acres of forest here. There's rocky peaks, there's meadows, there's all types of stuff. I want to thank everyone for watching. Everyone, get out there, have some fun. Good luck. Fergal Panda's out.